Morning children, welcome to the English class. A very important topic when it comes to grammar. Now all the topic which is in this worksheet and which I'm going to explain you, we have already explained you better, we have already done. It's just a revision of this grammar topic better. Okay, now we will begin with countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, do you know what are countable nouns? Countable means the things which we can count, and nouns I have already explained you so many times. Whatever you think with your eyes are all nouns. Okay, whether they are living or non-living. Now sometimes what happens, it's so easy to count the things. Now for example, if somebody tells you, come on, count the chair, you can count. Okay, count the pencils which you are having in your compass, you can count. But when somebody tells you, come on, count your hair, is it possible? No. That is why there are two type of nouns. One is countable and one is uncountable. Now the things which you are able to see it in this slide, the books, okay, the butterfly here, okay, the pencils are there, okay. Here you can count how many there are: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many butterflies here? 3. You can count. The pictures are given over there. है ना? And then those things you were able to count. But here mama is having in the kitchen. What are these? Sugar, rice, salt, soup, water. Can you count? 1 water, 2 water, 3 water, 1 soup, 2 soup, 3 soup, 1 jam, 1 sugar, 1 salt. No, not possible. So these are all uncountable nouns. Okay, so these were the countable nouns which you can count. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 books. Pencil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils. Here right in front of you, the 3 butterflies are there. So 1, 2, 3, yes, you can count. So they are countable. And here you cannot count. आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते हो. So they are called as uncountable nouns. Now, let me tell you, when we some of the words which will be using it in the worksheet. 1 minute beta. Here it is. Now the first word is a few. When do we use a few word? It is only used with the countable nouns. Like for example, I have a few friends. Okay, they are countable. Okay, next one, there are a few students in the classroom or in the class, wherein you can count. Okay, so remember this a few is used for the countable nouns. Let us take some more example. Now all. The word all, it can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Remember, all will be used with both countable and uncountable noun. Take an example. All my friends are going to the picnic. All my friends are going to the picnic. Here friends you can count. So all is used with the friend. Okay. Now give me all the rice in the bowl. Here the rice you cannot count. 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice, 4 rice. So see, with the rice also we can use all the rice in the bowl. Okay? So all will go with both countable and uncountable. Now we'll talk about a lot of. It can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, a lot of people are coming home today. A lot of people mean how many? Like 4, 5, 6 or 7. Next, I have a lot of time to spend with you. Now a lot of time, your time you cannot count. Lot of time to spend with you. You cannot count the time, but here you can count the people. So a lot of people are coming home today. And second one, I have a lot of time to spend with you. Okay? So both. So all will go with both. A lot of also go with both. A few with the countable. Now we'll talk about many. It is only used with the countable. nouns. For example, there are many trees in the garden. I want many chocolates. So all these things you can count. Okay. So please pay attention and we'll try to solve this. Okay, here it is given that look at the picture. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. What we have to do, we have to use the word many, a lot of, all, a few. Now I made you explain this when to use for countable and uncountable both way beta, and now we are going to use it beta. Now you can see this, the children are standing over here for the photograph. Please observe carefully, and we have to use a lot of, many, a few, and all. Now let me explain you the meaning first. A lot of and many means large in number. Okay, large in number, jada. A few, small in number. Few, small in number. And all means the total number we are talking about. Matlab subjan, everybody. Done? Have you understood? Let us begin now. Now, according to this photograph, the students who are standing, the sentences are given and we have to observe them. We have to see carefully and then we will select the correct word. Number one, there are dash children in the picture. There are dash children in the picture. Can you see? Many. There are many children. So, we will select the word many. Okay, dash number B, dash children are boys. Now comparatively, when you compare boys and the girls, boys are less and girls are more. So here we can select a few of the, but we never say a few, but it is a few of the. FEW, few of the. After few, we need to write off. A few of the children are boys. Now, dash children are girls. Girls ज़्यादा है ना? So we will say a lot of children are girls. Done. Next, dash children are having fun. Now if you see the picture, see, I'll show you. Observe the picture. Okay. I'll keep like this so that you'll be able to. This better. Dash children are having fun. Okay. Almost you can see that almost all the children are smiling over here. So we'll write all the children are having fun. Next, dash children are having short hair. Short hair, only few of them are having. So a few of the children. I told you now after few of the lagega beta. Always remember that. A few of the children are having short hair. If you observe, then you will be able to get the answer. Okay. Next. Oh, a very important topic. Apostrophe. आपको मालूम है apostrophe जो दिख रहा है साइन ऊपर में s के ऊपर में. Can you see here? See, this mark is called apostrophe. This is called apostrophe. ये ऐसे लगाते हैं. Okay. This is called apostrophe. And remember, apostrophe are used to either show the ownership. Ownership means this girl is a Meenal and Meenal has a bag and this bag belongs to Meenal. So you can say Meenal's bag. आप belongingness दिखा रहे हो कि नहीं ये Meenal का है. Okay, his bag. Okay, Amol's bag, Mama's sari. So you have to put an apostrophe over there. Or to show a letter is missing, or when some letter is missing, that time we use apostrophe. Okay beta, for the two purpose. So here you can see, here it is, see, he, this is a short form. They are, this is a short form. Now let us, with the example, then you will be able to understand. Yes, apostrophe help in joining the two words and writing them in short. ये short form है beta, see, I am, ये join किया. Now see the two, we have to separate this. I am. This apostrophe हट गया, so A आ गया. Got it? They, see this apostrophe is there. Apostrophe, here apostrophe was showing that the A is missing. And we have written this now, AMM. Here also, yeah, apostrophe is there. That means W is missing. So they will. Here it is won't, will not. है ना? Won't. Remember, this some exceptional case are there where directly you won't be able to, then you should remember that. Okay? Won't means will not. He won't be coming. He will not be coming. ठीक है? Can't. Yes, can't. What is missing here? The two letters are missing. N and O. That is why they have put an apostrophe here. Okay. Then let's. Okay. So let us. We don't say let us. In English, we never say let us. It is always let us. Come on, let us play a football. So let us. Okay. I shall. This means I shall. And this means we have. So please learn this. Okay. By heart. Next, apostrophe help in joining the two words and writing them in short. For example, some more example. He is. Okay. He is. She is. They are. Here, apostrophe, that means A is missing. We are. That is. Who is not, does not, doesn't. See, this does, and then this not. O letters missing, O apostrophe. So we have written O. Aren't. So are not. Where's, that is where is. Please read this again and again. Okay. Next, now we will start off with this. Now, what is the question here? What is the question? That write the short form of the words given below. Okay. What is the short form? Let me see it in the worksheet. You open your worksheet, children. Worksheet kholo apna. Yes. Now look at the snail. Apna worksheet kholo beta. Now you'll be able to see this. I have to hold this. Where are you going? Yes, I got it now. The first one is written as they are. THEY, they, ARER. तो इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? How we will write? THEY apostrophe RE. Then this is called as they are. Will not, I told you will not का आएगा won't. WON apostrophe T. Won't. Then next is we are. Take out your worksheet. We are. So we and then apostrophe RE. Then he is. He apostrophe S. ऐसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म बनाते हैं. ठीक है. Now question 2. You have to learn this better. Rewrite these sentences using the full form of the word in the bold. Now here we have to, 1 minute, I'll remove the pen. Okay. Now let me concentrate in my teaching now. Okay. Yes, now what we have to do? He's saying rewrite these sentences using the full form of the word. Okay. Now here, can you see the letters written in a dark color like this one here? Okay, here. तो उसको अपने को full form में लिखना है बेटा. That is I am. First वाला है I and then apostrophe am. That means A is missing. So I am a good singer. My pen mark, let me erase this. Wait. Okay. Here E is missing because of that line. Wait. Okay, done. Okay, I am a good singer. Next, the boys and girls, what is it? Are not. Aren't को क्या बोलते हैं? Are not playing. Okay. Next, ये वाला, इसका full form हो जाएगा she is. Okay, doing her homework. Some words are written in short form. Either of the way you can write. You can write they are or in short putting apostrophe r, you just you write and then you can read as they are. Okay, here also now see they put an apostrophe, so what will come over here? They will. The double L is all for will. They will perform at the function. Okay, rest as it is you write. Okay, now next, oh no, sorry, there's one more question. Let me zoom. Yes. ओके, क्वेश्चन 3, ऐड एन अपोस्ट्रफी वेर इट नेसेसरी. आपको अपोस्ट्रफी लगाना है वर्ड्स को जहाँ पे ज़रूरी है. नाउ सी, हियर इज़ द वर्ड. ओके, हियर इज़ द वर्ड. लेट अस फर्स्ट अंडरलाइन वेयर वी नीड. ओके, हियर वी नीड, हियर वी नीड एंड हियर वी नीड. ओके, ठीक है. ऐड एन अपोस्ट्रफी तो यहाँ बन जाएगा आफ्टर एन, as after n it will become can't. I'll write here, it will be like this, can't. Next, o'clock, this 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Here after t, that's, see I'll write again, that's, here it is this way. ठीक है. Then they will, है ना, ये ऐसा रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे आफ्टर दे it will come. Okay, after they and then double L. After they and then double L, then isn't, ISN. Okay, then apostrophe T. इसको बोलते isn't means is not. Okay, let's, after T, let's. Okay, I hope you must have understood better. Just go through this 2-3 times, then you will be able to understand. It's very easy.